Bandcamp, a platform where artists share amazing music to the world. But can we use Bandcamp music for our YouTube videos and edits? How I able to find music from Bandcamp? I have two ways. The way I used was from YouTube. I like to listen a lot of music from YouTube. Some of the artists have his own Bandcamp page where they share his music on Bandcamp. What I did was to listen a lot of music. In the moment I found a track I would like to use in my video, I go to the YouTube channel of the artist, like for example this one, Patrick Leng. I go to his channel, the music that I would like to use, the name was Cry to the Heaven. Filter, this one, I check the description, and here in Bandcamp, full album Patrick Leng, bandcamp.com is where you can get this song. Click on it, and this is the Bandcamp page, okay? It's really easy. It's just a website where artist hosts his own soundtracks. The difference with other platforms is a store. You have to pay for the songs. In this case, the page of Patrick Leng is the home. Here are all his albums, but I want just Cry to the Heaven, one specific song. So I go to the search bar, Cry to the Heaven. Here we are, the first one. This is the track I want. Let's listen a bit. Beautiful. And now I will show you how you can get this music from Bandcamp. Very easy. In the page where it hosts the song, you can buy it. Click on buy the digital track. You have to set the price. Below is the minimum you have to pay for. The minimum is set by the artist. In this case, the minimum price is €1. You type on it, add to cart. At the right side is the checkout. You have two options, pay by PayPal or credit card. And this is the proof. This is the email that I received when I bought the song some years ago. Cry to the Heaven by €1. Even in the email you can download, but normally the Bandcamp page, once you buy a song, they send you a direct link where you can download the song. This is the video where I use it. Revert Formula 1 2017 Pre-Season Edit. I am Dani Lozano, Formula 1 content creator. As a video editor, I've created a bunch of Formula 1 videos last 8 years from my YouTube channel. Plus, I'm an expert finding the best music for YouTube videos. Let's watch the video to check that I used the song we listened before. The next song that I used in one of my videos was composed by Ansia Orchestra. In this case, the song that I would like to use in my video from these guys, it's in the homepage, this one. And again, I go to the description, and here is where the artist tells you that you can get his music, and one of the options is Bandcamp. So click on it. We go to his Bandcamp page. In this case, it's the main page where it hosts all his music. Again, I filtered the name of the song. The name is difficult, so what I'm going to make is to copy the title of the video, which is the name of the song, paste, and here we are. This is the soundtrack. Let's listen a bit. I use this song for this video, The Sixth Dream by Lewis Hamilton. Can I use music I bought on Bandcamp in my YouTube videos? The answer is depends. Normally yes, but it's important to contact with the artist first, or to check his social media to find the guidelines usage of the artist's music and check if the artist let you use the music. The next song for my edit, I found it searching for music on Bandcamp. In my case, I need instrumental music or cinematic music, epic music. Enter. I was navigating listen music and I found one artist, Philip Klein. The track that I found for my edit was this song, The Chase. Very cool music. In this case, the price is lower. You can buy it just for 0.17. Price is set by the artist, as I said before. This is the video where I use this soundtrack.
Going for it on Sebastian Vettel. He pulls out late once again, and he's got the job done. Going into Stowe, where Valtteri Bottas has pulled off some great moves. Oh no! Sebastian Vettel's got it to Max Verstappen.
This is another music composer that I found on YouTube. He has all these links to get his music, and one of them is Bandcamp. Just I click on it. This is the video, Right and Path.
Alex, if we could start with you, please. Many congratulations. New colors for you.
Now I will show you the process that I take to buy an album instead of one single digital track. And I found a very interesting album, Osiris. The digital album is formed by 10 soundtracks, okay? Let's listen a bit some of them. For example, this is one of them, the Golden Scarab.
Max is looking quite strong and a really good car, so I think...
Pyramids. Gravitation.
Lewis, if we can have P0, if you're still saying that.
God of the Sky.
But who's got pace behind him? Lando Norris has got a middle sector to be proud of.
Osiris Ascending.
It's lights out and away we go.
And in this time I bought the complete album. The minimum price was €6 because you are buying one album, you are buying 10 songs, not only one. That's what I did. I pay for it. This is the proof, as you can see here. At the end I pay €7.26 for it. I get 10 songs. You saw watching my videos that it's possible to use music from Bandcamp in YouTube videos, but I have to respond the last and most important question of this video. Is Bandcamp music copyrighted? Okay, I will show you one real case in one of my videos. The first one I show you. This is the video. In this case the music was claimed, but there's no problem. The video is absolutely public, everyone can watch it. Just I receive a copied claim, notify me that the Content ID claim my video. Just you cannot monetize the video. I don't care at all. I'm not trying to gain money from it. In this case, this artist let you to use his music from Bandcamp in your YouTube videos, but if you want to monetize this video with his music, you have to pay a license to use the music and monetize your video. Would you like to listen much more amazing music for your edits and videos? In this playlist, I compilate much more music to use in your YouTube videos and edits. Click to get access now.